Hi, Mary from Reviewer's Diary, and I am here with a subscription box that was sent to me by a company that makes spices. Now, I've gotten spice subscriptions before and really enjoyed them, so when I got a message from this company, I almost couldn't wait to try it because it comes with a full-size bottle of spice, which is awesome. So anyway, the name of this company is All You Can Spice. It is a subscription box. I don't know yet how it works. I will look that up and put that down below. It'll be within the first couple lines, so when you're watching this video, you'll be able to see it without having to open up the description box. This is I believe, a monthly subscription, and basically, let's put it this way. The reason I think it would be good is because you get a full-size spice, and if you're looking to build up your spice collection, or you're starting out in the kitchen and you want to try some new spices, this probably is a good way to go. So this is a monthly subscription, and I was really excited to get this. That having been said, I got Jamaican spice, so I'm not sure how to use that yet. One of the great things is that this box actually comes with recipes. It has a full-size, this is a giant mother of a spice. And this is Jamaican jerk. It smells good on the outside. And also a little packet of something else, it's Cajun spice, which I will probably give to my daughter's boyfriend because he loves Cajun stuff, and I'm not a real fan of spicy. But I can possibly be a fan of this, but I won't know until I try it. See, now I'm going to be forced out of my comfort zone to try something different, and they do give you a couple of recipe cards. There are 3 of them here. And I'm actually going to try making this Jamaican jerk chicken. Now, I've never tasted Jamaican jerk chicken, but I've heard that it's really good and that spice is going to help me make it. So I'll have to come back to you guys and let you know how that is. I don't think it smells terribly spicy. The Cajun spice would definitely be more spicy, but yeah, let me know if you know, is Jamaican jerk chicken spicy? I don't know. So anyway, so this was sent to me by this company, and it comes with recipes, so you can see basically what you would get in a monthly box is a huge thing of spice and maybe a little packet of spice. I don't know if they include a little packet of spice with every delivery, but I think they include a full-size spice with every delivery. The thing that makes this different is the other spice subscription that I was in, it came with like a little envelope of spice, which was just enough to make a couple things, and that's it. This, if I like Jamaican jerk chicken, is going to allow me to make it often and share this also with family, because my daughter's boyfriend likes to cook stuff like this and probably would really enjoy this. Anyway, let me know if you've subscribed to this box in the past, if you have any experience with it. I don't, so thank you very much, All You Can Spice, for sending me this box. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It does give a little bit of traction to this company that's sent me this free box, which was really nice of them to do, and it also circulates the video for more people to watch it. I really love those thumbs up. And there is somebody who always gives me a thumbs down, but it's kind of comical now because there's always like one every now and then he or she misses a video. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. This has been Mary with Reviewer's Diary with a very unusual subscription. And I think this might be one that could be a keeper. So thank you very much and have a beautiful evening. Good night. And get cooking. Good night.